Xiaomi 13 Pro. For all intents and purposes, the Xiaomi 13 Pro's display remains unchanged. The Xiaomi 12 Pro had a 6.73-inch display, and we have the same one with almost identical specs. Those include a 120Hz variable refresh rate since it's an LTPO panel, 1440x3200px resolution, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, HLG and 1920Hz DC dimming against aggressive PWM. The display also has an ambient color temperature sensor that allows it to adjust the color temperature on the fly. The only upgrade here is the advertised maximum and peak brightness. The new 13 Pro's display can illuminate the whole surface area at 1200 nits, while the peak brightness boost during HDR video playback, for example, can reach 1900 nits. The aforementioned Snapdragon 8 General 2 is paired with LPDDR5X memory and next-generation UFS 4.0 storage. As far as cameras go, the Xiaomi 13 Pro once again features a triple 50-megapixel setup on the back, but with notable upgrades. The famous 1-inch Sony IMX989, 1.6 micrometers sensor from the Xiaomi 12S Ultra is now paired with a Leica branded lens with an f1.9 aperture and hyper OIS.